Whenever your faucet tip is covered in that white, crusty buildup, don't panic. This is the easiest way to make it shine again without spending a dime on fancy cleaners. It even works if your faucet is completely clogged or spraying sideways, and you don't need to scrub or take anything apart. Watch this. Most people use brushes or strong chemical sprays, but those make things worse. They can dull the chrome and still leave that chalky crust behind. The fix is much simpler than you'd think. All you need is a plastic bottle cap, a rubber band, and a little white vinegar. Fill the cap halfway with vinegar, then stretch the rubber band around the faucet tip and gently secure the cap so it covers the end completely, making sure it's snug and sealed. Here's the secret part. Leave it there for about 20 minutes, because that's when the magic happens. When you remove the cap, the white crust wipes away like butter. The vinegar's acid melts the mineral deposits from the inside out, clearing every tiny hole. In just minutes, your water flows perfectly again, the faucet sparkles, and the whole sink area looks fresh and clean. Vinegar costs just a few bucks and works every time, so keep this trick handy because it might save you from replacing your faucet someday.